The C5 Corvette is the best performance bargain in automotive history. You can buy a legitimate sports car with 350 horsepower for under $10,000. But before you rush out and buy one, you need to know the flaws, the strengths, and the secrets that owners don't talk about. Today we're doing a complete breakdown of the C5 Corvette from 1997 to 2004. We'll expose every common problem, reveal why this platform is so special, and share insider knowledge that'll save you thousands. This is CarCulture-X. If you're considering a C5 Corvette or just love performance cars, hit that subscribe button right now. Let's get started. Flaw number 1. Harmonic balancer failure. The most common and costly C5 issue is harmonic balancer failure. It sits on the crankshaft and dampens vibrations, but the rubber deteriorates around 80,000 to 120,000 miles. When it fails, the outer ring wobbles, causing belt misalignment and potential engine damage. Symptoms include squealing belts, visible wobble, and rough vibrations. Replacement costs $400 to $600 at a shop, or $150 DIY. Always start the engine and watch the pulley. If it wobbles or belts squeal, budget for repair or negotiate the price. Flaw number 2. Column lock. Failure. The steering column lock can fail, preventing the key from turning or the wheel from unlocking. This usually happens between 60,000 to 100,000 miles. Symptoms include a stuck key, security light on, or no start. Replacement costs $200 to $300, or $50 for a column lock delete kit. Test the lock during inspection by turning the key and ensuring smooth wheel unlocking and normal security light behavior. Flaw number 3. Active handling issues. Most 2001 plus C5 ES have active handling, prone to electrical faults. Sensors or the control module may fail, triggering lights and disabling traction control. Symptoms include warning lights, false activation, or lost stability assistance. Repairs range from $200 for sensors to $800 for modules. Many owners disable the system without issue. Test drives should show the system initializing and turning off. Persistent lights indicate a problem requiring a scan. Flaw number 4. Rear wheel bearing noise. Rear bearings wear between 60,000 to 100,000 miles, causing humming or grinding that varies with speed and cornering. C5 bearings are sealed and must be replaced, costing $150 to $250 per side, plus moderate labor. Ignoring them can damage the hub and axle. Listen for humming during highway drives. DIY replacement is possible and saves labor costs. Flaw number 5. Convertible top issues. Convertible C5s face hydraulic leaks, motor failures, and fabric damage. Problems include slow operation, tops stuck halfway, leaks, or torn fabric. Pump replacement costs $300 to $500. A new top with installation runs $800 to $1,200. Check for water stains, mold, or rust around seals. Test the top several times for smooth, quick operation. Convertibles require more maintenance than coupes. Before we continue with more flaws and then the strengths, if you're learning valuable information about the C5 Corvette, hit that subscribe button for CarCulture-X. Now let's continue. Strength. Number 1. LS1 and LS6 engines. Now, let's talk about why the C5 is worth buying despite the flaws. The LS1 and LS6 engines are legendary. These all-aluminum V8s are powerful, reliable, and have massive aftermarket support. The LS1 produces 345 to 350 horsepower and 350 to 365 pound-feet of torque. The LS6 in Z06 models makes 385 horsepower and 385 pound-feet. Both engines are understressed and extremely durable. Many examples exceed 200,000 miles with only basic maintenance. The engines respond incredibly well to modifications. A simple intake, headers, and tune add 50 to 70 horsepower for under $1,500. Camshaft swaps push 450 horsepower naturally aspirated. Forced induction builds easily make 600 plus horsepower on stock internals. The aftermarket is massive. Every part imaginable is available from multiple manufacturers. LS engine swaps are popular, so used parts are plentiful and cheap. This engine is the main reason to buy a C5 Corvette. Oil changes every 5,000 miles with quality synthetic, keep the cooling system maintained, and these engines will outlast the rest of the car. They're genuinely bulletproof when properly cared for. Strength. Number 2. Chassis and handling. The C5 chassis is a masterpiece of engineering. The hydroformed steel backbone frame is incredibly stiff. The fiberglass body panels don't rust. The transaxle rear-mounted transmission creates 51 to 49 weight distribution. This weight distribution gives the C5 amazing balance. It rotates predictably through corners. The rear weight bias provides excellent traction for acceleration. The chassis feels planted and confidence-inspiring at speed. The suspension is sophisticated with double wishbones, front and rear. Transverse fiberglass leaf springs save weight while providing excellent ride quality. The geometry is well sorted for both street comfort and track performance. Stock C5 ES handle incredibly well. Upgraded C5S with better tires and suspension are legitimate track weapons. The chassis has so much potential that many race teams use C5 platforms for competition. The steering is quick and communicative. The brakes are powerful, especially on Z06 models with larger rotors. Everything about the chassis is designed for serious performance. This is a real sports car, not a grand tourer pretending to be sporty. Strength number 3. Parts availability and affordability. GM built nearly 250,000 C5 Corvettes, so used parts are everywhere. Junkyards are full of crashed C5s providing cheap parts. The aftermarket is massive with competition keeping prices reasonable. Major components are surprisingly affordable. A used LS. One engine costs $1,000 to $2,000. Transmissions run $500 to $1,000. Suspension components are cheap. Body panels are readily available. You can keep a C5 running for very little money. The aftermarket offers everything from performance parts to restoration components. Competition between manufacturers keeps prices down. You can build a 500 horsepower C5 for less than most people spend on a new economy car. Online communities are huge with extensive knowledge bases. Corvette Forum has thousands of DIY guides and troubleshooting threads. Facebook groups connect you with other owners. Finding information and help is easy. This part's availability means you can buy a higher mileage C5 cheaply and maintain it affordably. The running costs are low for a sports car with this level of performance. Strength number 4. Performance value. This is the big one. The C5 Corvette offers supercar performance for used economy car prices. A $10,000 C5 will embarrass $50,000 sports cars on back roads and racetracks. Stock performance is impressive. Base models hit 60 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds and run 13.1 second quarter miles at 110 miles per hour. Top speed is electronically limited to 175 miles per hour. Z06 models are even faster at 3.9 seconds to 60 miles per hour and 12.4 second quarter miles. With basic modifications, C5S run 11 second quarter miles reliably. Forced induction builds run 9 seconds. The platform can handle serious power with proper upgrades. You can build a 200 miles per hour street car for $20,000 total investment. Compare this to other performance cars. A $10,000 C5 is faster than a $40,000 new Mustang GT. It handles better than most sports cars costing twice as much. The performance per dollar is unbeatable. Track day costs are reasonable too. Consumables like brake pads and tires are affordable. The cars are reliable and don't break often. Many owners track their C5s regularly without major issues. Strength number 5. Modification potential. The C5 platform is a tuner's dream. The LS engine responds to everything. The chassis accepts wider tires, better suspension, and improved brakes easily. The aftermarket is massive with parts for every budget. Popular bolt-on modifications include cold air intake for $300, long tube headers for $800, catback exhaust for $600, and a tune for $500. These add 50 to 70 horsepower and transform the driving experience for under $2,500 total. Suspension upgrades are common. Coilovers start at $1,000. Sway bars cost $300. Better bushings run $200. These modifications dramatically improve handling and make the car more responsive. Forced induction is popular for serious power. Supercharger kits start around $5,000 and reliably make 550 horsepower. Turbo kits begin at $4,000 and can make 800-plus horsepower with supporting modifications. The platform also accepts wheel and tire upgrades easily. Wider wheels and stickier tires transform grip levels. Many owners run 18 or 19-inch wheels with 285 front and 335 rear tires for maximum traction. Secret number 1. The Shale Shake Corvettes. Here's a secret most buyers don't know. Early 1997 C5 Corvettes. From the Bowling Green plant experienced quality control issues. Workers were rushed during launch, leading to poor assembly quality. These cars are called Shale Shake Corvettes by enthusiasts. Problems included squeaks and rattles, electrical issues, loose components, and panel fit problems. GM corrected most issues by mid-1997, making later production years more desirable. If you're looking at a 1997 model, check the build date on the door jamb. Early production cars from January to June 1997 have higher likelihood of issues. Later 1997s and all 1998 plus models are significantly better. This doesn't mean all early C5s are bad, but be more thorough in your inspection. Many early cars have been repaired or have had issues resolved by now. Just know what you're potentially dealing with. Secret number 2. The Fixed Roof. Coupe Advantage. The Fixed Roof Coupe, or FRC, is the best C5 variant for serious driving. It's stiffer than the convertible, lighter than the Targa Top Coupe, and cheaper than the Z06 while offering similar performance potential. The FRC has a solid roof bolted to the body, increasing chassis rigidity. It weighs about 80 pounds less than the Targa Coupe because it doesn't need the removable roof structure. This weight savings is in the middle of the car, improving balance. Many consider the FRC the best handling C5 variant after the Z06. It's popular among track day enthusiasts and autocross competitors. Values are starting to rise as people recognize its advantages. FRCs are rarer than Targa Coupes, representing only about 15% of coupe production. Finding a clean one takes patience, but they're worth seeking out for maximum performance. We're almost done with this breakdown. If you're finding this information valuable, smash that like button and subscribe to CarCulture-X. What to look for when buying. When shopping for a C5, prioritize maintenance history over mileage. A 120,000-mile car with records is better than a 60,000-mile car with no history. Look for evidence of oil changes, cooling system service, and major maintenance. Inspect for accident damage carefully. Check panel gaps, paint thickness with a gauge, and look for overspray. Frame damage is rare but devastating. A pre-purchase inspection by a Corvette specialist is money well spent. Test drive thoroughly. Listen for unusual noises, check that all systems work, and evaluate handling and performance. Drive on rough roads to expose rattles. Test the transmission through all gears. Common modifications like intake, exhaust, and suspension are fine if done properly. Avoid cars with sketchy engine work, nitrous systems, or evidence of drag racing abuse. Check for oil leaks, especially from the rear main seal. Budget for deferred maintenance. Assume you'll need to replace the harmonic balancer, fix the column lock, and address minor issues. Having $2,000 to $3,000 set aside for immediate repairs is wise. The C5 Corvette is the ultimate performance bargain. It has flaws, harmonic balancer issues, rattling interior, but the LS engine is bulletproof, the chassis excels. and performance is incredible. For under $10,000, it runs 13-second quarter miles, handles like a true sports car, and offers huge modification potential. Buy a well-maintained model, budget for known issues, and enjoy one of the best sports cars ever at a fraction of the original cost. The C5 Corvette proves serious performance doesn't require a fortune.